today. This weekend is going to be Juneteenth weekend, and that's going to be Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 4 days off. And it's a holiday and it's paid because we're off Friday too. So today's Wednesday. Got the 3 hours off from work. I made up the time, so technically it's also paid. Anyway, it's gonna be a family trip. This is her gift for her dad. And when we went to New Orleans, we've been wanting to bring him there, and my brothers as well. It's some place that Kevin and I really love, and we know for sure that they're gonna love it there. So we're very excited. I'm very excited for this trip. And right now we're here at the airport, and we got here early. So just to make sure that we didn't had to rush, and then we had time to eat, and then we're gonna fly out at 6 p.m. and then we'll be arriving there at midnight. Most likely we're gonna be eating when we get there. Yeah, because that means we eat at 6 here, or people probably eat lunch. They won't eat dinner until we get there, and when we get there they're gonna be so hungry, because when we get there it's only gonna be what time? Like
midnight.
No, midnight there, but that's like 9 p.m. here, 10 p.m. here. So they're gonna be so hungry. So I'm pretty sure we're gonna go eat out over there for midnight. That means we're gonna be waking up late tomorrow for sure, but it's okay. New Orleans, you start your day late there anyway, because the fun is for the whole entire night. Anyway, right now Kevin's eating kava.
First time too.
Kava, and then I'm having an acai bowl because I kind of don't feel like eating. Well, it's really hot. It's summer, and and plus Kevin made lunch, pretty much like not lunch but brunch. So I'm still hungry. I'm just really thirsty, so that's why I'm lightheaded. So I'm gonna drink water. But I'll video again once they get here. They're on the way. Rain. Hey, Pasha.
If you're here the podium.
He's looking for his hat.
Welcome to the party.
Hey, Papa. Look who's traveling with us. And then we have a gamer right here.
He was like, yeah, I have this. So he pulled out like
cards.
Let me see. Let me see. Trading cards. Warm up. Where's Papa?
heat wave. This feels like the Philippines. God damn.
Smoking area. No. Designated smoking area. How is there?
Card natin yan or Uber yan? Yeah.
So update, we made it, and crazy already. Our Uber, I made reservation like last night for our Uber, so that when we get out of the airport, the expectation is for them to show up there right away because it's an Uber Black. They're already at Bourbon Street. And then these two, they're already at Bourbon Street. They're too excited. Tell them we're going to CVS to buy. Yeah, but over there more inside. A little bit more. We're gonna ride this. We're gonna ride that. That's what, remember the app that you got? That's for that. Alright, so we made it here and we already found the tulag agan. Yan talaga ang ultimate na laagan. Yan talaga. Hindi pa nga ni nakapasok sa hotel, naglaag na. Welcome to your hotel. So once you get in, you have to take the elevator to the second floor. These are really nice. Tapos ito, like, itong mga painting. Mahal yan. Ano yan? High maintenance. 5-star hotel lang. Nagalit na galit, walang Uber Black. Yung VIP service ng Uber. These are China. I was telling you, right? Saraya, the one I have at home, China. You have to display it. Yeah, so magtaas ka.
Yes.
Turn on the lights. Yeah, this is your room. Where you stand alone. Okay, that's enough. We got room. Yeah, we got room.
It's very like old school and scary.
Yeah. We're gonna go down. Greetings.
Can I get it?
Look forward to making your visit a memorable experience.
Yo.
Really?
Yo. We're not gonna stay here.
What?
No, I'm just kidding. See? We'll fit, bruh. Young kids,
Alright.
I do it on purpose. I can get another.
Alright, okay, open. Let's go get the room tour of your room, Wayne. Let's go. Yeah, you could use one. Let's go try. Alright, so we're coming out of 11:15 and
this is my New Orleans crib. You know, I just purchased it for $2.2 million.
and where are you staying?
To make me with the
Ritz. Because I'm Ritz.
Okay.
Boom. It's my smell because, you know, Hanali just...
I bombed it. I blessed it.
I got a 65-inch Samsung. Look, I got drinks too.
On the rock.
I got snacks. This is where I work.
Oh, your postcard. You could take this home.
Boom. This is where I tell the work. When I commute from work, from work. I got room service.
What's your view?
more room.
Under construction.
Hey, you see the river?
Yeah.
Ah, yeah, there's a river. We're gonna go there. The Mississippi River. Update is we're going to the gym, and it's on the way to the spa. This is Team No Sleep. Oh, right here. Wait. Oh. Oh. Oh, nice cardio. Oh, it's big. You're right. They made it big. Oh, there's more color. Okay. Yeah. There's more. Good thing Kevin found it. Found a hidden one. And they have towels, headphones, resistance pool. LA cool kids coming in. Watch out, watch out.
Check your weight, right?
Ah, there you go.
Morning.
Good morning. There's the weights. I think I'm just gonna go in the pool. I'm gonna go swimming.